Morning troops! We're back at TM Airsoft, but this time in their Wolverhampton site. I've got my Spectre Prime Mark 18 absolutely dialed in. I'm running 3.2s for the first time ever, and the accuracy is absolutely insane. At the start of November, we're heading back to TM Wolverhampton for a full-blown night game. But before we head into the pitch black, tripping over my own feet, I came out here for a quick recce to get a lay of the land. So the first game you're going to watch is a warm-up match, team deathmatch. Let's get into it.
Keep the hands up.
Hey, you got one. Whoa! Hit! Call him out. Where are we looking?
Right ahead.
Oh, I see his feet. Moving. This spot. I'm moving now. Yeah. Coming to you, Milton.
Hit. Good shot.
I got one. Got two. Got three!
Wait a minute!
Oh mate, look at all them walking off, how satisfying.
Yeah.
I don't see him.
There's no one that side.
I got him.
You got him?
Yeah.
No man, if you want to go push up down to this.
Oh, there's, see where the little cut out there, see him, directly across. See him there, on the black?
Yeah,
the only way you can shoot.
I'll shoot him at the actual one window, the next two.
Oh man. Magazine. Hit! Game 2. Money bags. There are 20 money bags placed on the bridge. Our objective is to extract the money bags back to our spawn. The team with the most money bags at the end wins. How simple is that? Let's get into it.
As well, please God.
Did we get the big guy on the floor? Yeah.
Good clear.
Sorry. Whoa, hit! Right in the face. Moving. Whoa, seen you.
Yeah. Come on, Blue, just use that smoke. Push up, Blue, push up. Push up.
Oh.
Come on, Blue, use that smoke. Kieran, throw the smoke further on. Kieran, throw the smoke further. Where'd you have the smoke? Use it. You ready? Go, 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 go. Use the smoke! Use the smoke! Go, go, go! Go for it, go! Go, next one, go! Kieran, go get the smoke, go get it back, get it back! Go, go!
Well done, mate. Don't go two at a time, don't go two at a time, wait there.
Fucking well played, boys, well played!
Magazine. Back in. Where's that coming from?
One's right side, I don't know where from.
Crossing, mate, I'm crossing.
Yeah, he's going.
Some Can you move to the left barrier, mate?
Ready? Smoke out, use the smoke! Build up, let it build up. Great smoke! Let it build up. Ready back on the bridge. Ezra, grab it. Grab that one back. Marshall on the bridge. Right, guys, remember you can't see through the smoke. You do not shoot through it. Shot straight in the eye.
So, do you see the brown built-up shit the other side, yeah?
Yeah.
He's in that little kill hole. Whoa, hit! Nice shot.
This guy can't see it, but he's actually perfectly over the bridge.
Thanks for staying to the end, and if you're still here on purpose, try this recommended video. And if you're into Airsoft way too much, this playlist will treat you better than Netflix. Peace out, troops!